What's going on, y'all? So this is my setup of a Burton custom flying V. We're going to be rocking the Burton Photon boots with the Vibram soles and double boa system. We're going to be strapping them onto these sexy Burton Malavita bindings. Alright, so this is my first setup, and apparently all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and the goods. That chill. So the first thing I want to do is get the bindings out, and let's slap the boots on. So they're size 12, obviously large bindings, and I just want to get everything laced up, tightened, put on there. Let's check the straps, let's check the gas pedal, and make a few adjustments, and let's go. Okay, so gas pedal, super easy, just click those out of those positions, slide it out a little, and then lock them back into place. Just give it a little push, and just like that. Okay, so pop that little guy out. And obviously for EST bindings, all you're going to be using are these little mounts. Just slide them into the channel. Super awesome, super easy. And just use the screws and the washer that came with your gear. You're going to line this up. Just slide that under there. And your little degree mounting thing as well, just make sure that's in the channel. Just give it a little push, line it up, it'll fit in there. And get everything tightened down just a little bit so you can still make some adjustments and find your positioning. All right, that looks good. I think we're good here. Last thing, high back. You're gonna want that parallel with the board. So there's two little screws on the side. Just loosen those a little, click everything into place, tighten it back up. All right, so let's jump on this thing and check it out. Those clicks feel awesome. Everything fits really well out of the box. I'm still gonna get the boots molded and figure out how to get better at these things. But God, when they click into place right away, it feels so good. I adjusted the ankle straps, but the toe straps were good. I think that's about it. Yeah, fun board, looks great. Can't wait to bust it out. But for now, we're gonna be putting her away in the closet, and I'll see you in about 3 weeks. Cheers.